Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor W5, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel, find the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you find it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where you can now go to Wi-Fi hotspot and simply tap on the password, for example, and change it, because as you can see, this is just some random garbage that is generated every time you basically factory reset your device. So let's remove this one and set our own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. So that's probably the most important part of the hotspot. Then another one would be hotspot name. This is just going to be the visible name of the Wi-Fi in the list. So you can change it from what it is right now, or simply just look at what it's named so you actually know what to look for. And then if we tap on advanced, we have a couple additional options. So we have AP band. Now on this device we have the amazing option to actually turn on both of them. So I would suggest you to turn both, and if your whatever device you will be connecting to this hotspot with supports 5 GHz, then go for the 5 GHz. If it doesn't, then you will only see the 2.4, which works out really well. So if you can handle, or if your device does support the 5 GHz, then it is better. The 5 GHz connection will be faster and stronger, while the 2.4 is used by older devices. So then below that we have things like maximum connections. Now from 6 I would probably change it to like 1 or 2, depending on how many people you want to connect at the same time. Now personally I'm not planning to run a server off of this phone, so 6 connections or more just seems a little bit redundant. So like 1 or 2 seems a logical. Hotspot isn't something that you use that often. So once you have set all of those options, you want to go back and simply can go back to the toggle itself and tap on it to turn it on, as you can see. So now it is enabled, which you should be able to see right over here, tethering or hotspot active, and it gives you a couple of information, so amount of people that are connected right now, and also how many people you are blocking from connecting. And that is about it. Now once you're done with the hotspot, you can turn it off again by simply tapping on it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.